In GES, before importing well pics, you need create well scheme first. 2 ways to create scheme in GES. The first method is creating scheme in GES. Go to Home, Stratigraphy, click Stratigraphy Settings window will pop up. Click Create Scheme, enter scheme name, click OK. Add horizon to scheme. Define horizon name, color, style and width. Click Apply. Then a stratigraphy scheme will be created in GES. After finish settings, you can export setting template and share to other team members. The second method is importing scheme file into GES. If you already have scheme file, for example, someone has created a scheme and share scheme file to you, you can directly import the file into GES. Workflow is same with other data. Just go to Home, click Import Data, and choose Scheme's data type, select File and Import. Scheme file will be imported into GES. After creating scheme, you can import well pics data. This is well pic data format. The first line is well information. 3 types of data need to be included: well name, horizon name and depth. Go to Import Data window. Change data type to well pics. Select well pics data file. Select GES attribute to match with file attribute. Click Import. Go to Data pane to check imported data. I will show you step by step by GES. Make sure horizon name is same with horizon name in well pics file. Click Export. You can export scheme template. You can also check scheme in Data pane. Select GES attribute. Horizon name is the required attribute. Others are optional attributes. If there is more than one scheme in project, including scheme column will be better, and you can also go to left window. In last column, you can select which scheme data will be imported into. GES support 4 types fault data formats: fault pics, fault sticks, fault lines and fault ploygon. Fault points is the well fault data. Fault sticks are the seismic interpretation results. Fault lines means same fault in all horizons. Fault ploygon means all faults in same horizon. GES can automatically recognize these formats. This is Fold Pics importing workflow. Go to Home ribbon. Click Import Data. Change data type to Fold Pics. Select file you want to import. Select GES attribute to match with file attribute. Apply to all and import. And you can go to Data pane to check data. The importing workflow of fold sticks, fold lines and fold polygon is same with Fold Pics. I will show you one by software. Note: Fold Pics is saved under stratigraphy category.